Hello there, my name's John. I live here on the beach, walking out my apartment complex to check out the second day after the storm. I live right there, 3rd floor. See this canal right here? It's not really a canal, it's just like a retention pond or something. I don't know what to call it, but it was full over the top. All water spread out here the night of the storm. When the beach came up over the highway, it just dumped into this. It just dumped into that canal right there. And that canal drains to that pond, I should say, drains into the beach. Obviously it couldn't drain. Thanks. Obviously it couldn't drain into the beach since beach was the drainage pipe was full of water. But yeah, the water was over here, all up to about, I think it came up about right here. About as far as it got. It was about 6-8 inches deep right here. It still feels pretty windy out here. A couple days after the storm, second day after the storm. And as you can see, there's plenty of water over here still in these ponds. The water went up and over this sand dune, I guess you should call it, of course, and filled up the low areas here. This will never drain. They're gonna come and they got beach combers that come and grade the sand. Down further, about 10-15 miles further east in Biloxi, there's huge tree trunks that got washed up, like 6 to 8 foot tree trunks. I don't guess you would call them trunks, but whatever they're called. Big old pieces of tree that washed up. This got knocked over. I don't even know what this is. This right here, I don't even know what that is. But it got knocked over. I don't even recall seeing it before the storm. This is White Harbor Road right here. Fellow YouTuber of mine, Jason, has a YouTube channel called 504 Road Trips. I think his in-laws grew up over here in White Harbor. I'll put a link in the description. See if I can make a card, but it's 504 Road Trips. He does several driving tours and hurricane updates and stuff in the New Orleans area and other places. He does hotel reviews and stuff like that. But it's a really cool channel because he labels everything on the road trips that he does, and he has a history about the area that he traveled in. This here is one of the drainage. That's not usually underwater. The water's still elevated, not super high, but the water level is still very elevated. Probably due to the wind direction still. Oh, trash washing up. This must have been at high tide last night. The hell is that? That looks like a toilet. I don't know what that is. Well, they have a lot of work to do, obviously, cleaning this up. It's gonna take a while. Get the beachcomber trucks out here and beachcomber equipment and groom it up. But they will be here. Stuff like this, there's plenty of in Biloxi, except bigger. All this trash is not normally here. It just got washed up. Out there you can see Cata Island. Several miles offshore. It's a barrier island that breaks the waves. That's why the waves aren't very big here. Anyway, yeah. Just doing my last hurricane update. Water level is still very high. Underneath the casinos, the water level, you can tell some of the walkways underneath the casinos are still underwater. They were last night anyway. They have little walkways underneath the barges because all the casinos are elevated and have walkways under the barges, most of them. And the walkways with plenty underwater, like a foot or two underwater. That means the Gulf of Mexico is still 2 to 3 feet above the regular level, because the water level is usually about a foot under that, a foot or two under that, and it's like a foot or two over it. So it's water level probably 2 to 4 feet higher than it usually is still. But I expect that to be going down in the next few days. I remember seeing this on my previous video. This is where they get the beach equipment on. I remember seeing this. This area here was totally flooded when I came before the storm. All up in here was all the way washed up. Still got 3 feet of water right there. 2 to 3 feet of water. Yeah, it's not much to see. Some trash. Alright guys. I'll catch y'all next time. Remember, if you like my videos, click the thumbs up, subscribe if you can. If you're interested in seeing any more of my videos, I do stuff in the New Orleans area and Biloxi, Gulf Coast area. Shucks. Alright, take it easy. Y'all have a good day.